Hi, everyone! This video will show you how to fix games keep crashing on Windows 10 or 11 in 4 ways. Fix 1. Check system requirements. Right-click on the Start icon. Select Run from the quick menu. Type DXDIAG and hit Enter. In DirectX Diagnostic Tool, you can see the specifications of your PC. Under the System tab, check if operating system, processor, memory, and DirectX version meet the game's minimum requirements. Under the Display tab, check if VRAM meets the game's minimum requirements. Fix 2. Update Windows. Press Win and I to open Windows settings. In the Settings menu, hit Update and Security. In the Windows Update tab, hit Check for Updates to find available updates. If some updates are detected, download and install them on your computer. Fix 3. Update Graphics Card Driver. Type Device Manager in the search bar and hit Enter. Expand Display Adapters and right-click on the graphics card. Select Update Driver from the context menu. Click on Search automatically for drivers, and then follow the instructions on the screen. Fix 4. Enable Game Mode. Press Win and I to open Windows Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Gaming. In the Game Mode tab, toggle on the Game Mode option. Suggestion: backup important files with MiniTool ShadowMaker to avoid data loss. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker Trial Edition. Go to the backup page. Select Source. Hit Folders and Files to tick the files you want to protect. Click on Destination to pick a path to store the backup image. After making your choice, hit Backup Now. Confirm this action and wait for the process to complete. After completion, quit MiniTool ShadowMaker. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.